Hello. Today, I'll show you how I make traditional Japanese Dorodango. This is sand I bought in the Netherlands. The size is 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters. First, measure out 40 grams of sand. Finer sand, like Japanese sand, is ideal, but this works too. Look for the finest sand available in your country. Next, add 110 grams of clay. Fine sand and soil improve drainage and create a stronger bond for firmer results. Mix it. Next, add 20 grams of water. Too much or too little water isn't good. The golden ratio is 40 grams sand, 110 grams clay, and 20 grams water. Start by mixing it with a light, bouncing motion. Rub and knead firmly. As it firms up while kneading, loosen it up. Repeat rubbing, kneading, and loosening for 5 to 10 minutes. Kneading thoroughly prevents cracks. So, knead a lot. Gradually, it will become sticky. Start by gently shaping it into a ball. Don't squeeze it too hard at first. Smooth out the bumps by pressing them gently with your fingers over the bag. Gradually apply more pressure to shape it into a firm ball. It's okay if it's still a bit bumpy at this stage. Take it out of the bag. Roll it on a flat surface. The surface is becoming smoother. Roll it for about 15 minutes. Don't apply too much pressure while rolling. It will gradually become harder. That's it for today. It's okay if the surface has cracks. Drying thoroughly prevents cracks from shrinkage. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Good morning. This is the one that has been dried for a day. 50 grams of water with 3 drops of olive oil. Japanese clay is highly viscous, so I add a tiny amount of olive oil to replicate that. Mix well. Don't use too much oil. Adding olive oil increases viscosity, making it closer to Japanese soil. Roll it in the water for 15 to 20 seconds. Dip the bottle's mouth in water and smooth out the bumps. Shape it into a smooth, flawless sphere. Avoid sanding the same spot repeatedly. Add water occasionally to keep the surface from drying out. Focus on making it into a perfect, beautiful sphere. Next, put the clay on a plate. At this stage, don't add any sand. Sand can leave the surface rough. Cover it generously with soil until the surface color changes. Now, let's start polishing. I've tried many tools, but I currently prefer the bottom of an egg cup. For larger Dorodango, I use the top part. Wet the cup's bottom and make the Dorodango's surface muddy. Once the moisture is evenly distributed, keep rubbing without adding more water until the moisture decreases. It will gradually change from muddy to a shiny surface. Once the moisture reduces and the surface becomes smooth, apply water just once. After spreading that single application of water evenly, continue polishing diligently. When it starts to shine again, apply water just once more. Repeat the process of wetting and polishing until it dries 3 more times. From the clay application to wetting steps, you'll use water a total of 5 times. Next, wipe off the dirt from your hands and the polishing cup. Put a tiny amount of olive oil on your finger and apply it to the cup. 1 drop is enough. This makes the tool slide more easily. Place the Dorodango on top of the cup. Gently polish it first, applying the weight of your hand. It's starting to shine a little. Keep polishing some more. Also, rotate the cup underneath. Gradually apply more pressure. Apply pressure downward. Polish thoroughly for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's shining a lot now. It has become a mirror-like surface. Finally, wipe off any dirt or residue with a cloth. Use a soft, fine-textured cloth. The next day, moisture may come out, causing the surface to become cloudy, so use the cloth to polish it again. This will keep it shining for a long time. The Hikaru Dorodango is complete. Give it a try. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button. Next, I'll show you how to make colored Dorodango, so subscribe and stay tuned.